Training a dog for food involves teaching them to respond to certain commands or behaviors in exchange for food rewards. Here are some steps you can follow. Choose the right food. Pick a type of food that your dog enjoys, but also make sure it's healthy and appropriate for their age and size. Avoid using human food, as it can cause digestive issues or obesity. Start with basic commands. Start with simple commands like sit, stay, and come. Use a firm, clear voice when giving commands, and always follow through with a reward when your dog performs the behavior correctly. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your dog with a small treat or praise immediately after they complete the desired behavior. This will reinforce the behavior and encourage your dog to repeat it in the future. Keep training sessions short. Dogs have short attention spans, so keep your training sessions brief and fun. Aim for 5 to 10-minute sessions, several times a day. Increase the difficulty gradually. Once your dog has mastered the basic commands, you can gradually increase the difficulty of the tasks. For example, you can teach them to fetch, or to stay for longer periods of time. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to training. Use the same command words and reward system every time, and try to avoid confusing your dog with mixed messages. Monitor your dog's food intake. Be sure to adjust your dog's diet accordingly, to avoid overfeeding or underfeeding. Training treats should make up no more than 10% of your dog's daily caloric intake. Remember that training your dog takes time and patience. With consistent effort and positive reinforcement, your dog can learn to obey commands and behaviors in exchange for food rewards.